This is Gerardo Del Real with Resource Stock Digest. Joining me today is the president and CEO of Nevgold, Mr. Brandon Bonifacio. Brandon, how are you today?
Good, thanks, Gerardo. Thanks for having me.
It's great to have you back on. You and I were able to meet in person, and it was great to finally see people again over in Colorado at the Precious Metals Summit in Beaver Creek. We chatted briefly, and you were very clear to me that the goal with Nevgold is to delineate a multi-million ounce gold resource. You've taken a big step towards that with this recent update with the upcoming drill program, a 10,000 meter drill program. I will let you provide the details, and then let's have a conversation about the catalyst here in Q4 and what looks like a really busy couple of quarters for the company.
For sure, and it's an extremely exciting time for the company. I think it's a testament to the team we have in place and some of our operational expertise in getting business done in an expedited fashion in Nevada. So we have our notice of intent permit approved, which will allow us to commence the drilling and exploration at our Limousine Butte project. So that's a fantastic box that has recently been checked. We've also lined up a core drill rig, which is obviously a key bottleneck for certain other groups in the state of Nevada currently. So that's fantastic to have that core drill rig lined up. And all of the other support areas, inclusive of earthworks, water source, and other personnel have been lined up. So for all intents and purposes, we checked 3 key boxes. And as of today, the drill rig is on site and it is turning. So it's an extremely exciting time for the company.
Well, congratulations. You're a young company, but clearly the caliber of management and the experience that you bring has served you well, because I can tell you from my conversations with several other companies operating in Nevada that securing a drill rig and the support, water, the support equipment, the personnel, it's been a challenge for a lot of companies. The company and the team should absolutely be commended. Congratulations on that front.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Tell me a bit about the drill program. It's 10,000 meters. We doing diamond drilling? Are we doing RC? Is it infill? Is it exploration? Is it a combination of all of those?
So we're starting out with a diamond rig. And from a drill focus standpoint, it is going to be both on resource delineation and expansion along with exploration. So the initial program is going to be focused on testing some of the known areas of mineralization, but we are taking a few step-out holes and exploration at holes at depth that have never been tested prior. So it is exciting from that standpoint. Is really that's going to drive that million-ounce marker to that multi-million ounce resource base, which we think we can deliver on with some success by way of the drill bit.
Excellent. And for those that aren't familiar with the company, I mentioned that you're a relatively young company. Can you just provide kind of a bird's eye view and an overview of the company and what you're looking to do here in the next several quarters?
For sure. So we picked up 2 advanced exploration resource stage projects from McEwen Mining, who's listed on the TSX. With that, we listed the company in June of this year, raised 6.3 million Canadian in a going public financing round, and our first day of trading was June 29th. This is really the first chapter of Nevgold, but with that being said, we've made a lot of progress, as I previously mentioned, in terms of driving into that 10,000 meter drill program and pushing into that Q1 2022 resource update. But we are a new story, and I think it's very interesting for your audience to understand how new we are. But in terms of that also comes with a great structure. We've traded consistently above our 40-cent financing price, and we've been touched as high as 60 cents. So we've naturally had a lot of support in the market, and we've had a lot of individuals who have taken a keen eye to the story, understanding we are new, but we have the right ingredients for a successful story. And when I mean the ingredients, I'm looking at team, corporate structure, and assets. And I think we check all of those boxes.
Where's your current market cap? Because if I'm looking at it right, a multi-million ounce resource base in Nevada is always going to command a premium because of the stability of the jurisdiction. And your market cap seems pretty lean for a company that has the experience, that's cashed up, and that has a drill bit turning in Nevada as we speak. Where's that stand at, Brandon?
Currently, it's trading today at around Canadian $20 million. So I do agree with that statement. We are at a very modest level. I think this is a fantastic entry point for your audience. I think if we can de-risk and systematically advance our assets into that Q1 period, delivering on that million ounce marker, but also showing potential of driving to that multi-million ounce resource base, that will drive that valuation re-rate in the marketplace. And I do not think we will be at this level for too much longer.
Well, I'm looking forward to the assays from drilling. I'm looking forward to the updates. Thank you so much for taking the time today. Can't wait to get you back on.
Thanks, Gerardo. Appreciate it. Have a good one, everyone.
Chat soon. Thanks.